Hello my loves and welcome back to my channel. It's Ash. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you decide to subscribe down below. Subscribe, it's free. If you're not new here, well, thanks for coming back for another video. You're the real ones. I missed you guys. Well, anyways, you guys know I recently went blonde. I absolutely freaking love this, you guys. Oh my gosh. And of course, because this is a wig, I ended up putting a beanie on it. My beanie says AllThatAsh. Oh my gosh, you guys, I freaking love my beanies. So I'm still trying to work on like creating more so that way you guys can have some. But yeah, so today I was matching the lettering. So I did kind of like a baby blue glittery, whatever. It's super freaking cute. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, let's go ahead and do some makeup if you want to see how I got this look. Go ahead and keep watching.